Coding agents have become one of the most popular uses of AI. It seems like the whole world is talking about how building software has just become commoditized, about coding in English becoming the new normal rather than Python or TypeScript or Go. But if you've ever tried to fully vibe code an app before, you've probably run into some major issues. Although it can generally handle repeated logic and general app patterns, when it needs to get into the nitty-gritty of using specialized tools or architectures and production settings and stress, the agents, especially if there are smaller or older models, will hallucinate old library syntax, use the wrong structures, and just generally need a lot of guidance to do stuff correctly. This is why Anthropic's agent skills have become pretty well known and widely used. The agent skills format is lightweight, open source, and gives agents additional, deliberate context for tasks, libraries, design constraints, or any other instructions that you could put in a markdown file. It can be used in basically any agentic coding platform, whether it's Claude Code, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and tons more. So we've just released the Weaviate Agent Skills repo, and it does a lot more than just vector search. We wanted to design a set of resources for coding agents that not only gives them context on how to use Weaviate correctly, but also makes it super easy for developers to build end-to-end AI and agentic applications that incorporate all of our best practice guides and knowledge. So we split the repo into two different types of skills: Weaviate skills and cookbooks or end-to-end projects. Weaviate skills are utility functions that the agent can use to interact with the Weaviate database, whether that's creating or exploring collections, performing searches, importing data, or using the query agent. These skills are automatically discovered by the coding agents, so you just have to describe what you want and the agent will be able to use them. I found that when building things, the agent will also use these scripts for testing connections and expected responses too, which is pretty cool. Cookbooks are complete end-to-end AI application prompts with state-of-the-art instructions and guidelines. In this initial release, we have a variety of different projects, from PDF import and search using a multi-vector image model, to basic, advanced, and agentic RAG strategies like we've described in our ebooks, agents using DSPy, agents using Weaviate agents, agentic chatbots, a data explorer, and tons more. We've also included a set of front-end guidelines that can be added onto any use case. So these skills are also automatically discoverable by agents, so when you ask Claude to create an agentic RAG app with my data, it's able to pull from all of our resources and strategies to jumpstart the app. In the coming weeks, I'll be doing more videos where I'll be building specific production-ready applications using these new agent skills, but for now, we'll just go through how to install it and a basic example. So to get started with Cursor, Copilot, and basically any other agentic coding platform, we just have to run npx skills add weaviate/agent skills in our terminal. We can then select which skills to install. I'll select both here, and then select the agents we want to install those skills to. We can either install it for this specific project or globally, and then just complete it and ta-da! If you're purely a Claude Code user, you can also use their plugin marketplace to install the skills. So first we can open Claude in our project folder and then run /plugin marketplace add weaviate/agent skills. And then after that, /plugin install weaviate add weaviate plugins. So when we type /weaviate here in the chat box, we can see that both the Weaviate and the Weaviate cookbook skills are there, which means the agent can access them. It should be able to automatically read and use the skills as needed, but you can always further specify by starting your message with /weaviate or /weaviate cookbooks. So the first thing I'm going to do is run the quick start command, which will help us get set up quickly with Weaviate. Claude will walk us through how we can sign up for a free Weaviate sandbox, how to create all of our environment variables, installing all of the dependencies, and getting us started with some sample data if we don't already have any. Then it will import the data to Weaviate and give us some options for going forward. Once we have everything set up, we can type any questions or give our agent a request like list all my Weaviate collections, or add this data to a new Weaviate collection, or create an agentic RAG application with a front end. And it will use all the skills to do what it needs to do. So we really hope that these skills are helpful to anyone who's building AI and agentic apps. Feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn if you have any suggestions for new cookbooks or skills, or if you've made something cool with Weaviate that you want to share. I'd love to hear from you. Our forum is also always open if you need any help. Don't forget to give the repo a star, and we can't wait to see what you build.